Hi and welcome to GeeksforGeeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about decision making in C++. Decision making in programming language decides the direction of flow of program execution. Let's start with if statement. If statement is the most simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or a block of statements will be executed or not. This is the syntax for an if statement. Let's see an example. Here we have a variable fruits equal to 2. If fruits less than 3, print fruits are less. Let's run this code. We can see that fruits are less is printed. Now let's change the value of fruits to 10. Now let's run this code again. We can see that this time nothing is printed. Next, let's look at if-else statement. If statement alone tells us that if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statements, and if the statement is false, it won't. But what if we want to do something else if the statement is false, if the condition is false? Then we use else statement. Here is the syntax for the same. Let's take the same example. This time fruits equal to 4. If fruits are less than 3, we print fruits are less, else we print fruits are sufficient. Let's run this code. We can see that fruits are sufficient is printed. Now let's change the value of fruits to 1 and run the code again. We can see that the output is fruits are less. Next, let's look at nested if. A nested if is a if statement that is the target for another if statement. Nested if statements means an if statement inside another if statement. This is the syntax for the same. Now, here we have two variables, fruits and vegetables, equal to 2. If fruits greater than equal to 2, and within this we have another if, vegetables less than 3, we print fruits are sufficient, vegetables are not. Else we print fruits and vegetables are sufficient. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is fruits are sufficient, vegetables are not, since the value of vegetables is less than 3. Next, let's understand if-else-if ladder. Here, a user can decide among multiple options. The if statement are executed from top to down. As soon as one of the conditions controlling the if is true, the statements associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the ladder is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. Let's take another example now. Here I equal to 15, and if I equals to 10, see out I is 10. Else if I is equal to 15, see out I is 15. Else if I equals to 20, see out I is 20. Else I is not present. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is I is 15 and all the other lines after that are bypassed. So in this tutorial we learnt about decision making statements in C++. This brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comments section.